The next question, 9.1, 8th and 10th. Find the indicated terms whose nth term is given. Here nth term, an equal to n square by 2 raised to n. Nth term is given, we have to find a7. a7 we want to find. So nth term, using nth term we can find any term of that sequence. Putting n equal to 5, we get 5th term. Putting n equal to 6, we get 6th term. So here we want to find a7, that is 7th term. So we have to put n equal to 7. So now 8th one, an equal to n square by 2 raised to n. We want to find only a7, 7th term. So a7 is equal to, put n equal to 7. In the place of n, put 7. So 7 square, 49, divided by 2 raised to 7. 7 square, 49, and 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 5, 32. Then 2 raised to 6, 64. Then into 2, 128. So multiply 2 7 times and we get 128. 49 by 128. So that is 7th term. A7 of the sequence whose nth term is an given by n square by 2 raised to n. Now 10th one. 10th. 10th we want to find A20. That means 20th term. Whose nth term is an equal to an equal to n into n minus 2 by n plus 3. So we want to find the 20th term, A20. So A20 equal to, put n equal to 20. 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 minus 2. 20 into 18 divided by 20 plus 3, that is 23. That is 360 by 23. So that is the 20th term, A20. So that is 10th one. Next question is, write the first 5 terms and write the corresponding series. So here we want to find only the given terms. Here only A7, find the 7th term. Here 20th term, only that particular term we want to find. Then next question is, write the first 5 terms and write the corresponding series. Here given the function is defined or the sequence is defined as a1 equal to minus 1. That is first term of the sequence is minus 1. an, that is nth term is defined as an minus 1 divided by n. That is n minus 1th term divided by n for n greater than or equal to 2. So this is true only for n greater than or equal to 2. N equal to 2 or more than 2. So we want to find the first 5 terms. That means first term, second term, like that. First 5 terms we want to find, and we have to write the corresponding series. So first term given, it is given as a1, first term, that is minus 1, that is given. Now second term we want to find. This is defined for n greater than or equal to 2. So n equal to 2, we can substitute n equal to 2 and n equal to 3, n equal to 4, like that. For n greater than or equal to 2, an is defined like that. So a2, we want to find a2. So we can put n equal to 2 in this expression. So a2 means in the place of n we have to write 2. So here what we want to write, n is, here we are writing n equal to 2. We are substituting n equal to 2. So when n equal to 2, a2 equal to n equal to 2, 2 minus 1. So a2 minus 1, that is a1 by, we are substituting n equal to 2. So a2 minus 1, that is a1 by n equal to 2. So by 2, a1 by 2. So a2 equal to a1 by 2, that is equal to, a1 is given, a1 equal to minus 1. So in the place of a1 we can write minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. So that is a2. Now again we can put n equal to, next n equal to 3 we can substitute here. So when n equal to 3, n equal to 3, put n equal to 3 here. So we get a3 equal to, here put n equal to 3, a3 minus 1, that is a2, a3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is a2, divided by, we are putting n equal to 3, n is 3 here, a2 by 3. So a3 equal to, put n equal to 3 in this equation. So a3 equal to a2 by 3, a2 by 3. And we got a2, what is a2? Minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to A2 by 3. That is, or we can write 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into A2. A2 is minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now find, put n equal to 4 in this. Put n equal to 4. So we get A4. A4 equal to A4 minus 1. That is A3. A3 divided by n equal to 4. So by 4. So that is equal to A3. What is A3? Minus 1 by 6. So 1 by 4 into, we can write 1 by 3, 1 by 4 into A3. So 1 by 4 into A3. What is A3? Negative 1 by 6. That is minus 1 by 24. Next A5. We want to find A5. We want to write first 5 terms. So we got A1, A2, A3, A4. So put n equal to 5. We get A5. Put n equal to 5. So A5 equal to A5 minus 1. That is A4. Divided by 5. N is 5 by 5. So A4, that is 1 by 5 into A4. What is A4? A4 is minus 1 by 24. Minus 1 by 24. That is equal to minus 1 by 120. Negative 1 by 120. 5 into 24. 120. So we got all the 5 terms. The question is, write first 5 terms and write the corresponding series. So first 5 terms are, so write 5 terms. First 5 terms are, first 5 terms are, first A1. A1 is minus 1. First term is minus 1, comma. Second term, A2. A2 is negative 1 by 2. Then A3. A3 is negative 1 by 6. Then A4 is negative 1 by 24. Then A5 is negative 1 by 120, etc. These are the first 5 terms. Next, write the corresponding series. Series means, see, if A1, A2, A3, etc., AN is the nth term, etc. Suppose this is the sequence, then the corresponding series means just add the terms. Series is, corresponding series is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus etc. This is the corresponding series. So that is the difference between sequence and series. So this is a sequence whose first term A1, second term A2, nth term AN, etc. If it is a sequence, the corresponding series is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus etc. That is the corresponding series. Similarly, here we have to, these are the first 5 terms of the sequence. Then we have to write the corresponding series. So corresponding series is minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus negative 1 by 6 plus negative 1 by 24 plus negative 1 by 120 plus etc. That is the corresponding series. So just add the terms of the sequence, we get the series. So this is the corresponding series. That is the question. Find the sequence and write the first 5 terms and the corresponding series. Okay.